enjoy the presentation tour. This property is represented by
Ann Fagan.
There are 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms in this spacious 951 square foot property. To arrange a time to stop by and view this property, or if you would like more information, please contact
Ann Fagan
at 760-966-0569. Thank you for your interest in this property and enjoy the presentation tour.